And one amazing thing is, after everything, they try to eat together. Let's say they try, they eat together. And yes, you have to understand that we ain't go for the plate, somewhere, we ain't go for the chair, somewhere. Everything goes in here, and the whole family will sit down and they will eat together. Like, this is really amazing. It's really amazing and very lovely thing to do.
Sama mbokk Ghanaian daal lay toggal ceeb bi Sénégalais yeeg Ghanaian yeeg waaw.
Senegal Jollof.
waaw Senegal Jollof.
Senegal Jollof.
képp kuy africain daal.
C'est Africa Jollof.
si ceeb baa ngi noonu daal. jël suñu yëpp daal di teg jël suñu ndawal daal di teg nii. sànni suñu géej côté bi suñu légumes yaa ngi ni teg suñu kaan ndax suñu yeneen mbokk africain ñoom kaan dañ ko bëgg.
Banchino soori no.
Si. Un po' caldo. Mettilo lì. Wow. Suñuy batañ si def nii.
Man, these people eat healthy.
Jël suñuy carotte daal teg ci côté bi daal di jël suñuy pataas daal teg beneen côté bi pataas baa ngi noonu.
Waaw.
sama gars yi plat baa ngi nii daal di kii sànni sama ñaari doomu kànja xam nga kànja moom daa nekk loo xam te ne moom warta manqué ci ceeb waaw kay ñoo.
Hello family, how y'all doing? Yeah, I hope so be out here. This cooking with Senegal. So today, the first time watching, I welcome you. Yeah, so family, the settings at the background tells you today I'm far away from home, you know? Yeah, since this show is about continental food, I'm one of the Senegal house and we'll be doing one of the Senegal Jollof. And after this video, it won't be Ghana Naija, but Ghana Senegal Jollof. Trust me, the Jollof is extreme over the top. I don't know how they win the words to use. It's really delicious. So we call Ashetu. Quindi Ashetu vieni. Tak. Dai. And Rebecca Wolof, without speaking Wolof. Okay, so we have Ashetu over here and she'll be taking us through the Senegal Jollof, how they prepare the Senegal Jollof, and trust me, you love the way they do it. It's very nice. Quindi Ashetu, Loni Togatel.
Toggatay. Thieboudienne.
Jollof, chak.
Thieboudienne bu saf saaf. Riso rosso.
Riso rosso.
Questo è il piccante.
Ok, peperoncino piccante, ok.
Sì, e peperoncino nero, paprika. Ok. Questi sono 2 pomodori, l'olio che noi usiamo e questo è il foglio di laurier. Ah,
ok, quindi offende buco white offende wahata, and then offende oil, normal oil, tomato paste, black pepper. And the upper pepper, pepper on cutting, and then show tomato paste. And leaves now with my aroma. I say, oh yeah, rosemary, but well, some leaves now with the stew, no. Yeah. Now the fish.
Il pesce.
Okay, red fish. Okay.
Guarda.
Okay, red fish. Okay.
Anche questi. Metti troppo.
Okay.
Solo 4 che. Solo
2.
Sì.
Hey.
Prendiamo 4, basta.
Garlic. Basically, Omuni, they don't use asanka, they use this thing. You know, they use this as an asanka. You know, I don't think of asanka, they use this and they will blinding the garlic and everything in this. Wow. But it's you about the use this type of food to be. Would we?
Mettiamo piccante questo.
Piccante, ok.
Si va con chi va bene.
Tutti i verdure?
Sì, quelli. Mettiamo lì. Sì, così. Poco, usiamo poco.
Ok. That's the black pepper.
Un po' di sale.
Salt.
Mettiamo l'olio. Perché noi cuciniamo tanto.
Tanto,
allora
ok.
Devi mettere così da due parti.
Ok.
Perché è piccante. Mettiamo dentro così, vedi? Metti un po',
Ok.
perché i bambini non gli piace il piccante,
ok.
sì. Allora metti un po', solo un po'. Che restano lì. Lo metti da parte perché lo bisogno dopo.
Ok.
Lo bisogno dopo. Allora. Mettiamo le ali. Se è caldo mettiamo così.
The difference is they are not using blender. They go straight to the traditional way.
Sì, il presto è meglio. Mettiamo qui.
The big ones. Ma che differenza fa? Ma è la stessa cosa?
Sì, ma è così.
Ah, ok. Ok.
Sì.
No blender and they are going straight to traditional way. Man, these people are amazing. No blender.
Un po'. Non troppo.
Yeah, so this is Senegal Jollof. Senegal Jollof. They say after this video it will be Ghana, Senegal. No, if it was Senegal friend, I just visit the person, like I can want Jollof for more. Thieboudienne. Amazing.
3 cucchiai.
Ok, di pomodoro.
Non bisogna di mettere troppo. Dopo usiamo un po' di acqua lì per mischiarla così. E lasciamo così.
Manca te?
Mai di più?
Wow, wow.
E così? Poco a poco ti capisci?
E we saw me coming up for you because the guy can say international man of Junadino. It's very interesting to know the culture of other people, another other tribe, how they go about their things. You know, it's very amazing, interesting. It's always good to learn, it's always good to learn something new.
Mettiamo yapp, lo mettiamo dentro.
Pusineno, white chicken, entire double my type di newa. And after all the tomatoes need
Io uso questo è paprika.
Ok, paprika.
Permettiamo poco, così. Solo poco, bisogna solo poco. Fa con il pomodoro, le paprika. Si chiama aja.
It's spices. So the spices need to be inside.
Mettiamo un po' di acqua.
So basically, not chew anymore. It's about 10 minutes. And the oil quantity is no dose because one way is very paint, you know. The oil quantity is normal because some other also. It's no stew down over there, you know.
Questo pomodoro dentro.
Okay. So after like 20 minutes, you know, not the normal tomatoes will go inside. Then to be cut show the paste one cassava with my moreno one. Because then I wash in channel. So she's now putting in the vegetables on yummy, you know. So she pounded these things like the old method, no blender. The way on your mother, I see those you boom, when you train boom, like a pound here, but I'm not fit. It's very interesting. So after 5 minutes, she's stirring up. And then we do the boom after 2 minutes, now the tomatoes and boom.
Mettiamo un po' di acqua, così.
So after 10 minutes, you know, on the food inside. It's not that show, man, oil on your red, it's been on fire all this while.
Dopo usiamo un po' di aroma, questo qua.
Aroma.
Mettiamo un po', così, come fa la senegalese.
Okay. So you see Maggi aroma, the liquid one over here, not the gum no. We say I just in better 30 minutes, the soup go, the soup go inside.
Mettiamo acqua, un po'.
Into 2.5 of this bowl.
Pulito tutto. Mettiamo.
Into carrots, the carrots are too.
Sì.
No, this zucca, we don't do Halloween off. Fruit on the Halloween off.
Sì, sì, sì.
The zucca.
Mettiamo il chou.
Cabbage.
Sì, così.
Banche.
Sì.
Yeah, the banche, the cassava.
Mettiamo le patate.
Red potatoes. Not in Chinegudo. This is how Senegal Jollof is being made.
Sì. Mettiamo questo.
Okra. Ebusia young Jollof fatty. Senegal Jollof.
E basta così.
Ebusia one stir for the salt to go down. Patch there. Oh, prepare. You should not cassava function in our inside. Wow. Wow.
Togliamo questi. Che già pronto.
So after 10 minutes, you know, all your okra inside. What's happening?
Mettiamo una cosa in Africa.
Ok.
Si chiama Gedjicom.
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 E possiamo muovere biao. We wash in chin.
Sì, la mettiamo dentro.
So after 20-25 minutes, you know, yeah, all those patate and the zucca and the carrots are done, you know. Okay, so these are the fish you look inside.
Quelli. La testa.
Ok.
Mettiamo la testa. Anche questi qua. Usiamo tutti dentro.
Into the fish now, ocho in the corner, oyamon and ordina fra. Rosa do gumba. Maggi cube.
Maggi cube.
See, Maggi cube.
Maggi nokos. Oh, 10.
Still, my mind not be at tomorrow. So a total of 30 minutes, you know, after you send a cabbage, you know, a first you drop away. It took all this while because of say banching on ye other vegetables need and or bring that to move in a block form when divide into two, then I take it time, you know. So this is taking time because of the insulin I drain because of or the onion and you know. It's not going on near than vegetables so the insulin I drain inside. That's why I will take it time, you know. At this point, so you know, inside. It's normally a mix of watch annoying and money. Wild combination. It's my mind, no personally, now we can not know inside. What you love from Kaku inside, Momo inside.
Thieboudienne.
Yeah, Senegal Jollof, Thieboudienne. It's also a chain. Not that makes money later. Like ask the money cigarette, don't know what inside. We didn't get the money show for 5 minutes. And Sana, also here the men are and we don't take your time. Okay, now this is so good. That's one man. So the way you know now. So after first 15 minutes now, or first 10. It's oh you know, still not a saucy one, no olive oil. Thieboudienne, Senegal Jollof is in the making, bearing. Man, this is interesting.
Thieboudienne bi pare na sama gaay ci baa ngi waaw ceeb bu ma sandi ay crevettes moom laa togg tey si YouTube bi ceeb baa ngi ni daal sama gaay pare na nii waaw comme ni ko Sénégal toggee daal laa ko defee
waaw wow. You see the passion and the energy that she's using to serve, you know. Like, the whole thing looks very interesting and amazing. I keep saying interesting because yeah, it's interesting. It's really interesting, because the way I banchene other stuffs, you know, carrots, cabbage, you know, mixed up together for you know, it's very healthy. These people are really eating healthy. Yeah. Unko be for my so unkwala we kwini. Baba hwe. Wow. Ya pato yo.
Puoi fare un foto anche se
vuoi.
Ahora. Awaji kontaan de.